What's up, Mini fans? Got another package here today. Let's take a look and see what's inside. We've got another fob from FunFob. Yeah, we've done videos of these fun fobs before. We've done this space-themed one. It's super cool. One of my favorites. It's on the main key that I use. And we've got this other one with the 37 Mini in the chrome. It's more of a Patty Hopkirk inspired design, but yeah, great fobs, feel really great, make the key feel really heavy and premium. So let's see what we've got in this new box today, something different. Got the instructions as usual, steps 1, 2, and 3. And look at this. This is a grenade key fob cover. It's wow. It's heavier than the key and the other fob itself. It's pretty heavy. Let's get the scale and see how much that weighs. Okay, so we've got the grenade one here. Let's set it on the scale. And it's coming in at 99 grams. We'll round that up to 100 grams. Pretty cool. Let's see how much the key and the other space thing one is combined. Combined, that's only 75. So this is gonna easily double the weight of your key, but it feels really good in the hand. I really like that a lot. So if you haven't ever installed a key fob cover before from FunFob, I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's super easy. It's 3 steps. Let's get to it. So to start, we're gonna need the key that we're gonna put the fob on. We're gonna need the new fob, and we're gonna need the pry tool that's provided in the box. Small, I don't know if you can see it, but it's a tiny little flathead screwdriver that you can use as a pry tool. And I think all you really need is kind of a running start at that point. And that's it. As you can see, all it takes is a few seconds and you've got the fob on here. Check this out. This is super cool. So first thing I find it makes it easy to do is remove the key to get that out of the way. Then take the flathead screwdriver and use that to pry open the back cover. Once the back cover's off, you can slide out the existing fob, whether it's the original one from Mini or this one that I have here. And then you just take your new fob and you slide it back into that same channel. And then you snap on the back cover to lock it all in, and you're done. And I know what you're asking, Nick, what happens if you pull the pin? Well, will you blow up? Let's find out. Pin's out. So the key fob kind of explodes. That's to answer the question. I should have done this. So yeah, this is it. This is the grenade key fob. It's super heavy. It's pretty awesome. It makes the key feel pretty cool. Easy to hold in your hand too. This is how it compares to the space-themed one. Obviously smaller in size, but it feels just as cool. I like them both a lot. And if you're not familiar with FunFob, go check them out. I will leave a promo code in my description where you can save some money on any fobs that you order. So definitely go check that out. Use my link if you are going to buy something, and I'll save you a little bit of money. But yeah, these are really cool things to have. I'm glad I got all of these at this point. So that's going to be it for this one. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below as usual. Subscribe if you haven't already, it helps out immensely. And when you're out there driving and you see another Mini, don't forget to wave, all right? Simple as that. Catch you all in the next one. Come on, got it. No. I don't got it. Whew, back in.